Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Naswa Julia Saidina dari kelas manajemen 22A NPM 2241101. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan communication. What is communication? Communication is the process of conveying message or information from one party to another. It can take many forms, including verbal and non-verbal communication. There are different types of communication, such as interpersonal, group, organization, and mass communication. The purpose of communication is to achieve mutual understanding and build relationships between individuals of groups. Communication aspect. Different aspects of communication include fields of experience. For communication to be successful, the fields of experience of the source and destination have to overlap. Encoding and decoding. The sender encodes their ID to a message and the receiver records the message to understand the ID. Feedback. The receiver responds to the message with their own feedback. Verbal and non-verbal communication. Communication can take the form of spoken or written words, as well as body language, facial expressions, and other non-verbal cues. Types of communication. There are several types of communication, each of which more or less has the same goal, namely conveying information. The following are the types of communication and their explanation. Verbal communication, a type of communication carried out using words, either orally or in writing. Nonverbal communication, a type of communication that is carried out without using words but using body language, movement, or facial expressions. Written communication, a type of communication carried out by writing message or information in the form of letters, emails, or text message. Visual communication, a type of communication carried out using message, photographs, of video to convey message or information. Informal communication, a type of communication carried out in a formal context, such as in everyday life, using relaxed and non-standard language. Non-formal communication, a type of communication carried out in an informal context, such in social activities or non-academic activities. Direct communication, the type of communication that occurs directly, such as in face-to-face or telephone conversation. Direct communication, a type of communication carried out through media, such as letter or emails. Communication, a type of communication carried out by conveying message or information to wider audience, such as through mass media or advertising. Communication goals. After knowing what communication means, next you need to know the purpose of communication. In short, the purpose of communication is to create understanding between both parties. However, there are still a number of purposes of communication that you know. I create understanding to convey information, 3 influence attitude and behavior, 4 build relationships, 5 solve problems, 6 improve environment, 7 building identity and image. What are the factors that influence the selectiveness of communication? The communication is ability to understand, to match conveyed also influence the activities of communication. For media atau channel, choosing the right media or channel can increase the effectiveness of communication. 5. Context. The condition or situation when communication takes place also influence the effectiveness of communication. 6. Credibility or truth in the communicator also influence the effectiveness of communication. 7. Message content. Relevant and meaningful message content also influences the effectiveness of communication. In order to obtain good communication effectiveness, it is necessary to pay attention to see factors that is message conveyed can be received and understood well by communication. Conclusion. Communication is a reciprocal relationship between an individual who conveys a message to an individual who are receiving the message through media that causes certain effect. The purpose of communication is to create a common understanding between the party transmitting and the party receiving information, ideas, attitudes, or the feelings. Thank you.